Hi, how's it going? This is Billy from the ThirdEye team here. If you're watching this video, you're probably trying to figure out how to get the ThermalEye videos off of your X2 and copy them onto the computer. Well, look no further because this is the video for you. I'm going to show you how to do it. You're going to want to make sure your X2 is on, obviously, and plugged into the computer. And then I recommend using a program like Visor. That way you could pull up your X2 screen on the computer. Otherwise, you're going to have to wear the X2 while it's plugged in, and it can kind of get tricky. But it's not needed, but Visor makes life easier. So anyway, we're going to go into Settings here. We're going to go to Connected Devices. We're going to go to USB. And then you're going to want to scroll down to where you see Use USB 4 and select File Transfer. Now, mine's already selected. On your device, it probably won't be already selected. So make sure you click on it. A notification is probably going to pop up right in the middle of the screen. Just click OK. And then once you select that, you're good on the X2 side. You don't really need to pay attention to the X2 from here on out. Just make sure it stays plugged into the computer, obviously. So from there, you're going to go to your computer, go to My PC or This PC, and then go to your devices and drives and look for something that says SDM710 for ARM64. If it doesn't say that, it's going to say something very similar to that. Just know that's your X2 and it's now plugged into the computer. So you're going to want to select that. Go to Internal Shared Storage. Go to Android. Go to Data. Look for the folder that says com.thirdeye.fleer.fevervision. Go to Files. Go to Download. And your videos should be stored here. I have a video right here. I'm just going to copy it. Then I'll pick a folder on my computer. Let's pick videos. Copy, paste. Bam. Now my video is saved on my computer. For any more questions, please reach out to support@thirdeyegen.com.